Did I want to? Hello, this is Dulia Spinal, and I'm going to show you an awesome trick. Thank you very much. Dowdy. There you have it. Okay, for this trick, you'll be needing 2 pieces of paper. They should look about the same. Before the trick, prepare yourself by just going like this to one piece. Then this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna put it in back. See, back being the top corner. Let's see here. You're gonna put it in the top corner like this. Then you're gonna start ripping. And put it in front. When you rip it, put it in front, not in back. In front. Rip it as small as you can. Real quick here. Just wrap it to the front. This is the secret. To the front. See, to the front. Then at this point you could turn it around. Put it in your palm. Then just kinda look to the front, You can rip it if you want, but I don't stitch that. Just move it around, Never do like that. Always keep it here. And just go like this. Sorry, Rick. Alright. And then there you have it.